Hey folks, welcome back to Vert Der Ferk, the channel where a mid-40s Canadian guy with too many cookbooks tries to make sense of them one recipe at a time.
Alright, welcome back, and today the random cookbook that we did is the Dude Diet Dinnertime by Serena Wolf. It's kind of a cleanish way of updating certain kind of popular foods. And the random recipe we chose was the turkey taco salad with avocado ranch. So let's get at it and let's see how we can clean up a taco salad.
Dressing ingredients: avocado, Greek yogurt, cilantro, onion powder, dried dill, garlic powder, lime, water, salt and pepper. For the salad: olive oil, lean ground turkey, tomato paste, chili powder, kosher salt, cumin, pepper, chicken broth, lime juice, romaine hearts, cherry tomatoes, yellow bell pepper, radishes, grated cheese, tortilla chips.
Good. All right, so we did the turkey taco salad there. Feedback was that it was kind of fantastic. Don't really know how to make that look pretty for a camera per se, but it had all the tastes you were looking for from a taco salad, so to speak. Probably the only thing that was missing that I typically like with that is like a sour cream. But otherwise, though, if you're looking for a kind of a way to clean it up a little bit, it's a fantastic recipe. So once again, Dude Diet Dinner Time, turkey taco salad with avocado ranch dressing was a hit.